Hi, today we are here actually to showcase the mw150 Bluetooth. So there are 5 functions that these locks provide. These are smart digital lock. So the first one will be the keypad. The second one will be the RFID card. Third one will be the fingerprint. Fourth will be the mechanical key. Okay, the fifth one will be actually an application where it can be controlled via mobile app. So I'm going to teach you guys how to pair this lock, and then I'm going to explain the functions one by one. So here we see this is the app that you guys need to download. It's called Focal Connect. So after we log on to the Focal Connect, you have to register. So with your email and your password. Then
initialization succeed.
This is the first screen. So we click on the plus button, choose the BLE, lock BLE. This is the one, click on it. Before you click on the next button, come to the lock and press 8 and hash.
Operation succeed.
So once it gets blinking, after you press the 8 and hash, it will enter a pairing mode. So then you click on the next. Okay, so you can see that actually the lock is already added to the system. Click on the plus.
Join network successful.
Okay, done. So click on the next. Here is where you allocate to the rooms. Let's say there's a showroom, pantry, office. Assuming that this will be in my showroom. Done. So this is the initial interface of the smart lock. So as you see that we already pair, you can just hold on this button.
Unlock.
And the lock is unlocked. So this is the app function. Next, I'll go through the rest of the 4 functions. The fingerprint management. Click on the add finger. Choose the members, family members, assuming that this one is my name. Start collecting.
Please input fingerprint.
Here is where you add them one by one.
Please raise up fingers. Please input again. Please raise up. Please input. Please raise up fingers. Please input again. Please raise up. Please input again. Operation succeed.
Okay, so here will be testing. Next. So you see, there you go, testing. So now I test with my fingerprint.
Unlock.
It's already unlocked. Once it locked, now it's locked, I can no longer access the lock. Next, I'll go to the password management. So here, same thing, click on the add password, choose the family members. Here is where I just key in my password, assuming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give it a name, test, save.
Operation succeed.
So here, I just need to touch the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Unlock.
So it's unlocked.
Locked.
Next, I'll go to the door card management. So here, you will need to use this. It's an RFID card that comes along with the lock. So click on the door, add door card, select the family members, then start collecting.
Please swipe card.
There is a word written card here. Just place your card nearby.
Operation failed.
Okay, try again.
Failed. Please swipe card. Operation succeed.
Give it a name, test. Done. So here's the test. So what do we do when we go nearby? Just scan.
Unlock.
It's already unlocked.
Locked.
Next will be a temporary pass. So there are 5 functions here in total. The first one is an online code where you need to be nearby the lock in order to access. So here you can set a one-time password and also a periodic code. Means this one can only be used once. As for this one, you can enter multiple times, but you need to set a period for them. I'll show you. So assuming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can write an effective time as well as an invalid time. You can set, let's say, from 9 AM in the morning to 6 PM. You can allow this passcode to enter, and the rest of the time it will be invalid. Also, there is also an offline code where you can set one-time code. Means, let's say if you are away from work, you just click on one-time code, add, get the code. You can just let someone to know this password and they can enter. I'll show you. So it'll be 249484659
Unlock.
It's unlocked.
Locked.
So if I were to key in again,
Failed.
so it will be no longer accessible. This is a one-time code. So in order, let's say if you want to delete all the code, you just click on the clear code, add, clear all. Just key in this code into the log and you will remove all of the existing one-time codes. Yep, that's pretty much all of the functions that we have. Also, on the member management, here is where we add all the family members. Click on the plus and you'll see family and also others. So you can set specific functions with different authorizations for your family as well as for others. Okay, so now how do we transfer this whole home for someone else? Click on me, click on home management. So here we have different houses. Let's say assuming I want to transfer UAA. So I will need to add the person in first. I need to add member. Click on the app account. Of course, the other person have to register and sign up for account at Focal Connect. Here, let's say we're transferring to test. Here, account, we'll key in the email address. After we key in the email address, we can set the family role, either to common member or administration. After we add them, let's say assuming Peggy, so just click on Peggy. Okay,